At Merchology, you can personalize gear for each member of your team. To personalize your team's items, just fill out this spreadsheet, which your Merchology rep will send over with your order. It's important to enter each employee's info in this specific format for accurate decoration on their items. Enter the first line of your employee's personalization in column B and the second line of your employee's personalization in column C. The text in column B will be stacked above the text in column C if both are filled out. If you want 2 lines of personalization, add the top line in column B and the bottom line in column C. If you want 1 single line of personalization on your items, leave the cells in column C blank. Add your team member's preferred size using this single letter format in column D. If it applies to the item, enter the gender of cut your team member prefers as either men's, women's, or unisex into column E. When ordering non-gendered and unsized items such as hats, bags, and drinkware, please leave the accompanying D and E cells blank. In the F column, add the full product name of your item. Be sure to include the item's brand name and color. Next, tell us where you want the personalization to appear on the item in column G. For example, if you want your employees' names to appear below the logo, add that here. Find the thread color you want using the link on the right-hand side of the sheet. Then, add the color's name and number to the spreadsheet in the H column. Please note that orders are limited to 2 different thread color options, typically used for either light or dark items. Lastly, choose between a block or script font. The block font is a clear, sans serif print style, and the script font is an elegant, cursive style. Please note that the location of the decoration and font style must be the same for all items of the same style. Once everyone's info is added to the spreadsheet, email it to your sales rep and we'll start creating your team's personalized merch. Have questions? Contact us via phone, chat, or email for help.